As I take a bite into the juicy, flavorful burger, memories come rushing back. Memories that tie this simple meal to something much more profound. My father's unwavering love and the bond we shared. My father, a man of few words but infinite affection, had a unique way of expressing his love. He believed that sharing a meal together was a sacred ritual, strengthening the ties that bound us as a family. And this burger, meticulously prepared with care and attention, encapsulates the essence of those cherished family moments. With each mouthful, I am transported to a place of warmth, comfort, and security, a place where my father's love still resides. I remember the countless hours my father spent perfecting his burger recipe, his face lighting up with pride as we devoured each bite. It wasn't just a meal, it was a testament to his commitment to our happiness. The explosion of flavors, the succulent patty, the melty cheese, the tangy pickles, they all come together to create a symphony on my taste buds. But beyond the taste, it is the flood of emotions that overwhelms me. With every chew, I feel his presence, his guidance, and his love enveloping me. The flavors intermingle with my nostalgia, creating a sacred union of past and present, honoring the legacy my father left behind. So the next time you bite into a burger, let yourself be fully present in that moment. Allow your senses to guide you and embrace the memories and emotions that flow through you, for within the simplicity of a meal lies a connection to the people we hold dear.